This window here, unfortunately, we had new siding installed maybe about 5-6 years ago. And what happens is Andy brought it to our attention that some of the framing woodwork that's above the window is already rotted. So there was moisture coming in. So he's going to have to fabricate that area before they could finish installing the window. So that was a blessing for me because, here, I had said to my wife a few years ago, let's wait till when we can afford to get it all done, we get it all done. Because if there's anything wrong, we get it fixed at that time. So I was very happy that he brought that to our attention. He says, I need a little more time, but we'll get it fixed. He says, give me some time. I said, no problem. So we're good with that.
So he gave us the
that's
problem and a solution that he's going to go ahead and looking to see what he can do to fix it.
Yeah, that's great. So that's important to me. It's like taking your car to the mechanic. Oh, well, we could do this, but then no, get it fixed. Can you fix it? Fix it. Fix it now. I don't want to pay twice as much down the road. If we could get it fixed now, get it fixed now. So that's important to me. I mean, that's very important to me. The old-fashioned way of taking care of business is very important to me. Your word is your bond. I don't have to shake hands with you. I want to trust your word that whatever's going to be done is going to be done. Especially when I put my financials on the line.